Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Nowadays,
Hey
because
there.
online is school,
Subscribe
online
to my
classes,
channel
it is
and
very
also
difficult
press
for
this
the
bell
students
icon.
as well as for the teachers to complete their work in that traditional method. There is no register, no any pen or pencil for writing your work to submitting your work. Similarly, for the teachers, it is quite difficult to check their work on internet. How you can do? What's the solution? I saw one of the device and I ordered to Amazon. Now the device has been delivered. I am going to give you the review of that device. Now let's check out. Yes, earlier one I was checking my students' work with the help of different devices. First I was checking with my iPad, then after I purchased this Huawei tablet, and the advantage of this one is you can easily check the work by using the pen provided with this. Here you can use this pen and then you can check your work, perform your work very easily here. But whatever the comfort you can get with the help of digital writing pad while checking your work on PC or laptop, you cannot feel this with the help of tablet. Although this one is at its own place, but digital writing pad is something else. So I ordered one of the best writing pad, Huion, the large one, on Amazon, and today I got this. Amazon are very promising to deliver on time. So here I am going to open this box with you and let's see that what we will find in this product. Right. Now it's going to open. One of the paper also. I don't know why they give this paper to me. So, yes, this is the thing. You can see. Inspiring. Make your inspiration reality. Let's see how much this make our inspiration reality. Let's open this one. I have to bring knife for this. Back with a knife. Now I'm going to open this seal. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah. And now here such thing there. Can you see this? One of the thanks card. I want to say thanks. Okay, you're welcome. This card they give. I don't know what's written on this card. Warranty card and some other thing. I will share the picture of this card with you over there. And guys, here is that writing pad. Quite large. And I think well enough for writing your work, to checking your work, having with some of the different extra features button what they provide along with this. You can see in this one I'll show you one of the CD. Obviously the installation software will be there. Nowadays we can get the installation with the help of internet package. Here is the pen, very light, and the most important feature of this pen is what? I strongly advise whenever you will purchase any of the pen, it must be battery free, because earlier one when I was using with it, here you have to battery, and over there you have to use the cell what we use in the cameras. It is very expensive, so it's better to use battery free cell or not rechargeable cell, because with the help of this you can give your hassle free lessons. Along with this, a charging cable. Good. Another very good thing, stand. I was always puzzled where I place my pen, so here you can get this and you can stick it somewhere as well. As what the other thing, here they give USB as well. Okay, 2 USBs also there. Let's see, we will check what are the use of. Here is the page of this product, Huion H610 Pro V2 graphic drawing pen tablet, and number 1 best seller in graphic tablet at Amazon. Here is the picture. Now, the use of these two components. With the help of these components, you can connect your writing pad with mobiles and tablet as well. This connector you will join with this USB, and then you can connect your tablet with this, and now you are able to write with the help of this tablet. You can check your work, you can perform all the tasks what you can perform with the help of your hand, like this. So I should suggest that this product, writing pad, is a very good deal with this price, and I suggest that if you are in the field of teaching or you are a student, it's a good product, and nowadays it's with some discount as well, so you should go for this product. As usual, this one is another a good experience through Amazon online shopping. I should suggest that Amazon.sa is one of the good sites from which you can purchase quality product. See you next time with some new reviews, some new unboxing and the reviews. The remaining details of this product you will find at the end. Take care. Bye bye.